Hi, it's Jen from Shabby Fabrics. This is Kimberbell's newest creation, Twilight Boo-levard. Absolutely adorable. Available in the sewing version, which is in front of me, as well as the machine embroidery version. And I love that Kimberbell thinks of both sewing version and machine embroidery. So thank you for that, Kimberbell. These are the prototype pillows. These are the originals made by Kimberbell. Now, what will be included in your kit for both the sewing version and the machine embroidery will be all of your fabrics for your piecing and your backgrounds, as well as your backing. How the kits will be different is in the sewing version, any of the applique shapes like the roof of the haunted house, all of those shapes will be pre-fused and laser cut for you. You don't have to worry about any of that process. There's plenty of hand embroidery, lots of it actually, for the sewing version. Just want to give you a heads up on that. Of course, for the machine embroidery, that process will be already taken care of with that amazing CD that will be included with your pattern if you're doing the machine embroidery version. Now let's talk about this amazing embellishing kit, because this pillow would absolutely not be, of course, complete without it. And yes, the fairy lights do come in the embellishing kit, as well as all the amazing other details, the baker's twine, this type of amazing detail. There's a three-dimensional little quilt and also on the bench pillow. So it's just an amazing embellishing kit that will be included with both the sewing version and the machine embroidery. Now what's in front of me on the table is the 50 weight sulky cotton. If you are doing the sewing version and you want to have some thread just to stitch down those applique shapes, be sure to pick that up. And that way everything is stitched down in beautiful coordinating thread. We know this is going to be an absolute blast. We're literally putting kits together right now. So how we're doing this is you can reserve either the sewing version or the machine embroidery, or if you're really ambitious, one of both, or maybe a couple of each, because wouldn't this be an amazing gift? So you'll be paying $10 toward whichever version you prefer. And then once the kits are assembled, which will also include, of course, your embellishing kit, we'll charge the balance and ship that out when those are ready. So grab a friend. If you know someone that loves Halloween, this may be a great thing to do with a friend and just be able to get together and be able to build this amazing pillow together. So thank you, Kimberbell, for letting us be able to show our customers these amazing pillows and for creating these amazing designs that just make being a maker so much fun. So thank you for your time. Grab your kits, and I'll see you on a future Shabby video.